Okay, so this is the Motorola Xoom. It's the world's first Android 3.0 honeycomb touch tablet from Motorola. It's coming to Verizon in Q1. Has a lot of world's firsts, including first dual-core processor and also 1 GB of RAM. So a lot of horsepower to get a lot of things done, because you've got a large real estate to render a lot of information. We've got some videos here which should show you some of the cool new experiences. Basically, Google has overhauled most of its Google services for the touch environment. You'll notice no hard keys on the device, it's all touch-based. I have these new flickable widgets right on my home screen, so I can scroll through all of the information that's relevant to me right on my home screen. Within the browser, I've got a couple of new introductions, including tab browsing. So I have multiple tab environment, which again is much like I would be doing on my PC. It supports Adobe Flash 10.1, so all of the video content streamed right within the browser, no separate applications to do that. I can bookmark in the usual way within Android, obviously in a large beautiful real estate. The thumbnail view is really cool. And the other thing that we've introduced in the browser is incognito mode, which switches off all of my browser history, which is a new feature. Really, it's been built and optimized for movie consumption. It plays movies in 16:9 format, which is the way most movies are shot. And as you can see here, it's optimized all of the real estate. Most of what you're watching is movie.
You were saying before it's 1280 by 800.
1280 by 800, 10.1-inch display, HD, over 1 million pixels. And again, the dual-core processor and 1 GB of RAM is helping to render this very rich content onto the display.
And you're saying 10 hours of video playback.
10 hours of video playback, so plenty of time. With the barrel connector charger, will charge in half the time of the leading competitor, but still get you 10 hours of charging capabilities.
Web browsing, sort of battery life, is it better?
The video playback is the hardest drain on the battery, so for web browsing you're not going to get anything less than 10 hours. Depends whether you're running video, whether you're running over 3G or Wi-Fi. But 10 hours is the least you're going to get.
And it's 3G capable for now, 3G and Wi-Fi capable?
3G and Wi-Fi capable at launch, and then it's upgradable to 4G LTE at Verizon in Q2 when that's available. So that's a hardware upgrade. So you'd send it in or go to an electronics store to actually get the hardware upgrade.
And that launch is going to be a Verizon exclusive?
Verizon is what we've announced currently, yep.
Currently.
So it'll be a dual mode device after it gets upgraded?
Yeah, it'll be backward compatible to 3G as well, so you run on 4G or 3G depending on where you are. And obviously the network isn't national at that point in time, so you need both modes. This is the Google Book service, which they announced a couple of weeks ago, so over 3 million books now available. This is synced to your Google account, so just as you sync your contacts and your Gmail, all of your books get synchronized, and I can watch that, play those books on my Android handset, on my PC, or play them back on the...
and you're showing me demo videos here, but you're showing me demo videos playing on the fully functional honeycomb.
Correct,
so.
Yeah. The actual software isn't finished yet, which is why we're playing videos of it, but it gives you a little taste of what's to come in the coming few weeks when a lot of the software gets locked. So Google Maps, again, really sweet experience on a touch device. I can touch out on a large keypad or use the full USB keyboard, and then it's all multi-touch. As I drag my fingers, it brings up the 3D view. So already over 100 cities with building 3D view. And again, multi-point touch. When I go into street mode, I can pinch to zoom. So really all optimized and built for tablets. It's the first Google software built and optimized for a tablet. The only Android tablet that will do that. Existing Android tablets won't run on Honeycomb.